Hi. Okay, so I'll give you an analogy, and it goes like this. You know, when you leave your children with a babysitter, you want to go out for the evening and have just a night out, and you leave your kids with a babysitter that you really trust, and you know that they're taken care of, you know they're being fed, and you know they're being played with, and the babysitter is watching them properly, right? And you can just relax for the evening and have a nice evening and come home and kind of had your breather and had your space, right? As opposed to, let's say you have a babysitter that, kind of is not so attentive or is just kind of sitting on the couch, like doing their own thing on their phone or whatever. And you know that it kind of like ruins your evening a little bit because you can't breathe as calmly. And that's kind of like what it is on Rosh Hashana when a mommy who has children that need attention, right? That's kind of like how it is for Hashem. Hashem wants his children to be taken care of on Rosh Hashanah. It would be so nice to daven again and for me to be in shul and just kind of like tune everything out and just be focused, right? That would be so nice. But I have so many different needs in my family. I have a toddler, I have a newborn, I have a 4-year-old. It's not going to happen. I don't have the headspace for it, and I just don't have the long period. I don't have that long amount of time. So that's kind of like what it is for a mommy to daven on Rosh Hashanah. I tell myself sometimes that, okay, so making supper right now, feeding my kids, that's going to be my Tehillim for the day. Or like playing with them, reading stories to them, that's my Shemona Esrei. That's my Amida, right? Because I can't, it's so hard to find the time to just sit there and daven and not your head not be in a million different places. It's overwhelming. It can be really overwhelming, and it's kind of like it can be hard. But what you're doing is holy work. It's gashmias work. It's overwhelming. It's like, what did I? Sometimes I'm like, what did I do all day? Did I accomplish anything? But yeah, you did, because you made Hashem really happy that he can like kind of relax and be our king, knowing that his children are being taken care of. Okay, and I wanted to give you that chizuk right before Rosh Hashanah. Wishing you guys all a happy, healthy, sweet new year. And you hear my toddler here crashing my video. Okay. Okay, we're gonna read a book. Okay, so I wanted to give you that. I wanted to make this video for you about that, and now my head is being pulled into reading a book to my toddler. So I'm gonna end the video here. Have a happy, healthy, sweet new year. Wishing you guys all the best, only good health, happiness, safety, all the blessings, all the revealed good, and Mashiach now.